Hey everyone, welcome back. Zain with you. In today's video, we are diving into the T-Life app, giving you a full review and a quick tutorial on how to use it in 2025. Whether you are just curious or thinking about using T-Life, this video has you covered. What is T-Life? T-Life is a lifestyle management app. It is designed to help users manage their telecom services, like recharging credit, paying bills, checking internet usage, and even buying devices, all from one app. Think of it as your personal telecom assistant. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to navigate interface, instant recharge and bill payments, real time data and call tracking, device and accessory shopping from the app, frequent offers, and cashback rewards. Cons: some users report slow load times, requires stable internet to function smoothly, limited support for non telecom users. If you are a telecom customer, it's definitely worth using, but if you are on other network, this app won't offer much for you. How to use T-Life. First, you'll have to download the application from the App Store or Google Play. Just search T-Life Telecom and install it. Sign in and sign up. Open the app and register with your mobile number. You will receive a verification code to complete the sign up. For the dashboard overview, once you logged in, you will see your main dashboard: balance, data usage, call minutes, and current offers, recharge and pay bills. Tap on recharge to top up using a card, voucher, or mobile wallet. Tap bills to pay internet or landline bills directly. Buy device and accessory. Scroll to the store section where you can browse and order smartphones, routers, and more, often with discounts. Check offers and rewards. Under the offers tab, you can activate special packages or redeem points and cashback rewards. Final thoughts. T-Life is a well-built Reach app for telecom users. It brings convenience, real-time control, and a modern interface that makes telecom management simple. For 2025, it is still one of the most useful apps for telecom users. And now, if you have used the T-Life app, let us know down below in the comments about your experience. And that's all for today's review and tutorial. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.